Hey man, let's get into it. So we all start off, you know what I'm saying, watching OBS tutorials. They didn't work for me, so I had to build mine from scratch. So I'm gonna show you the vocal chain. And I can just copy it just for the next generation of YouTube. So I can just copy it down and you already have a head start and to starting your journey. Alright, so 60, you go to 90 hertz, but you know, 60 range and under is like background noise, low end noise, so you just want to roll that off, so we got to roll that off. 100 to 200 is like boomy or faint, so we knock that off. And I learned all this from TikTok. Shout out to TikTok algorithm. Literally told me how to EQ. So this is like boominess or faint. But also play by ear, just don't knock shit down if you don't have to. You know, you don't want to reduce for no reason, you want to reduce because you hear it. So we knocked it down, we heard it, we tried it, and we took it out. Okay. 300 to 600 is like boxiness, so we took that down. So 500 to 1K hertz, so like 4K is like weird noise, nasal block, so you know you knock that down. And then 3 to 8K range is syllabus, so we knock that down. And then this range is up to you. You just play by ear or just copy. Now Sudi 2, and we got in de-esser mode. So we actually discovered this plugin from Post Malone's mixer engineer. Shout out to the blonde guy, blonde hair, skinny dude. Shout out to him. So let's show off the settings real quick. Make sure y'all can pause the video at any time. And you know the depth is the ratio, attack, release, how fast it let go, fast it attack. And also that it tells you. And they also got good presets. So they got Vocal De-esser by Joe and Harshness by Daryl. Shout out to those two. So we're gonna go to harshness. Ah, it's just fucking moving it. Oh shit. Okay, we good. Okay. Just moved it by accident. That's bad. I can just copy. Share it with your friends. If you know anybody in your school that want to be a content creator, just be a W man and share this to your friends. Because this could be a good head start. And then they can just focus on, they want to do gaming. Well, this is mainly for gaming, so I guess you usually set this for blogs, but this is mainly for gaming. Wait, I don't think you can use blogs if you use OBS, so ignore that. Alright, let's just continue. This is strictly for gaming. Boom, 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 boom. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. And you know, any engineers that want to put their tips in, you can put that in the comments. If you like, hey, you should X, Y, and Z, you should try out this plugin, blah, blah, blah. You know, any engineers, go ahead. Alright, to get Studio Rag, you want to go to Wave Central, you want to go to All Products, scroll down, boom, download it, we tried it, let's go. And I'm making a Keith, what's his name, Keith Lee? Making a Keith Lee joke, but if y'all didn't pick it up. Let's try it, we reviewed it, yeah. But anyway, threshold, range, and you can see it right now, you see the yes put in work. It's put in that work though. It's getting reduced by 16, so that's a lot. So it would have been way worse without it. Our shit would have been peaking. So got the clarity, so no noise suppression, broad 2, single. Compression ratio is how much compression threshold where it starts at. Attack, release, self-explanatory. Boom, let's keep going, let's keep going. Don't want to make this video too long. You know, you can pause it at any time. Share with your friends. You know anybody that want to be a gaming YouTuber, want to be the next Ninja, the next Tifu, the next Kai Cenat, the next, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully the next Mystical, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Knock that down. Got the limiter. Perfect. And then after you use these settings, your video is going to come out low, and this is when we use DaVinci Resolve. You pay one-time fee you have for the rest of your days. So 4.1, yes sir. YouTube audio 13.3, 1.7, and let me go to the export. Scroll down, y'all can just copy it, screenshot it. I'm pretty sure we showed everything. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. If I missed anything to show, I ain't gonna lie to you, did I show got him? Oh, I would have been sick if I missed this. I don't think I showed this. Or maybe I just forgot. Even though we just did it. I don't know. But we're gonna go over it anyway. I don't think I showed this. That's crazy, I just forgot. Let me see, go through this, got on precise. Alright, man, good luck to the next generation. You know what I'm saying? 100 years from now, 10 years from now, 30, 25, man. You know, use this video. Good luck to everybody. Peace.